In this video, I will show you how to open a joint bank account. In this video, I'll show you the requirements to open a joint bank account for TD Bank. So opening a joint bank account on TD Bank with someone close to you can help you spend, save, and monitor money more efficiently. So visit your local TD Bank to explore your options and open a joint bank account. So to open a joint bank account makes it easy to pay shared bills like rent, mortgage, or utility bills, buy shared items like grocery, and create a budget plan. Once you scroll down in the section, you'll find how joint bank account works and how you can open a joint bank account on TD Bank. So to open a joint bank account on TD Bank, you'll need an ID for both account owners like a driver's license, state ID, or passport, personal information for both account owners, funding your account at opening. So it is required for you to fund your account immediately once you open your account. That's basically the requirements to open a joint bank account, which will allow the both of you to actually use it for spending. And that is how you can simply open a joint bank account on TD Bank. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.